Traders, I'm looking at the euro dollar weekly chart. So if we crunch this up, the momentum is bullish overall. The momentum is bullish without a doubt. Okay, higher high. You know, we've broken, wow, this high back in here that's been taken out. Right, so my bias is to look for a buy opportunity, weekly time frame. This is traded down into a key level here. What we have here is, we'll mark it up, see these lows, pull that through, liquidity pool. In other words, we're looking at the sell stops that are resting under these two candles here. Prior to this rally, it's come back down into the point of origin through this red candle, down into this liquidity pool. Taken that out, I would expect this to react off this, given the significance of this level. In other words, on the back of this price movement, there are a ton of stop losses sitting under here that have been taken out, and that should theoretically give big money what they need in terms of liquidity to pair their orders. So I would expect this to trade bullish from here. That's the weekly. Let's just have a look at it on the daily. Yeah, I mean, you can see the reaction off the level here. Now on the daily, okay, so we have the weekly and the daily. Okay, two levels here, significant. Okay, so we've got sell stops under here. That's been tapped into, right? So it's really reached into these lows over here. All right, now we're seeing on the daily time frame, we're seeing the reaction off this. All right, now if we look at it from this perspective, we pull that through there. Okay, we're starting to see this trend, early stages, but looking compromised at this point. Not convincingly, but you know, my bias is bullish. So we're seeing this shift in the trend here. Clearly, okay, we have these levels that are marked up, point of interest. We've got a shift in the trend, I think here. Well, I would call that a change in character. And a break of market structure for me would occur with this high being taken out. Well, actually, let's just have a look. Let's just mark it up. Low to high, low, A, B, C, D measured move, back down, retest. This would be a break of market structure and a potential entry point long if we get this price movement and a break of this level here. I would consider that a break of structure, BOS. That would be my play with this. So a possible buy opportunity if this high is taken out, that level right there. Let's just mark that up as a 4H. Okay, 4 hour point of interest there. All right, I want to see that revisited after a push through, taking out this high, pull back into it, and that's where I would be looking. Possible buy, okay, and possible buy if we see a retest and fail here. And retest and fail as in, you know, you want to go down to a lower time frame, say 30 minute, 15 minute, what are we on, a 4 hour? Let's go down to a 30. Right, I want to see this trending. See how this trended. See how that trend played out. Then we get this pullback, and then I want to see this. This is what I'm looking for. That, and then something like that. Okay, that would convince me to get involved. That's a 30-minute chart. Possible buy if retest and fail of this high. Right, break of structure there. That's a bit of a plan. Change in character, break of structure. Yeah, but this has to play out. If it doesn't play out, there's no trade. And it's got to come back down into here. And then what you want to see here is price action, possibly ranging here. Fake out, shake out, right? Something like that. We could draw this as well. There you go. That's a bit of a plan. Guys, I would really love to hear your thoughts on this. So definitely leave a comment below. Yeah, share your ideas. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.